And the other half of the... And I forgot earlier I had planned playing some good music in the background.
You ready?
Alright.
We'll be nailing right here.
Amy?
Cindy.
Oh. Brad?
Justin.
Kennedy?
Kennedy.
Don't think she can get Kennedy.
William.
William. Brock?
Jill.
Jill? Caleb?
Kason.
Jason? Tasia?
Chloe.
Chloe? Ethan?
Evan.
Evan? And Mariah? To whom I dedicate this song to.
Miles.
Miles? Sam?
Kylie. You want to put Kenny's name back in there?
Yes, please. Eric?
Kennedy.
Kennedy? Michael?
Jason.
Jason? Dallin?
Dallin.
Nope, I don't think so.
Get it out. Michael.
Keep trying.
Keely.
Keely. Carson and Hayden.
Michael.
Michael. And who does Hayden have?
I wonder who. Dallin.
And Alan.